Right guys, I did something really stupid and this one is completely on me. I might have already broken my brand new BYD. So here's what happened.
It was early in the morning and I was just walking out to the car. I hopped in and looked to my left, and I suddenly realised I had somehow left the passenger window open all night. And to my luck, that night we had one of the worst rainstorms of the year. So the interior of the car was absolutely drenched. It was a nightmare. I spent an entire hour walking back in and out of my house with fresh towels, panicking, trying my best to pick up all the water. But the problem was it had gone all the way down deep into the seats. I knew that if I couldn't find a way to fully dry it in just a couple of days, the car would start to smell awful.
And this is where the story turns better. Well, sort of.
I gave a friend a call who you'll know if you follow my channel. He's a professional detailer who takes care of the Aston Martin, and we've made some great content together. Without hesitation, he very kindly said, "Bring the car to me and we will sort it." So I jumped back into the BYD and we drove all the way down to his unit. I arrived at his unit and talked him through what had happened, and we got right to it. After my attempts with my towels, the main problem was that there was still some water and dampness right here under the seat. We had to figure out a way to get this fully dry. We removed all the mats and used a wet and dry vacuum to make sure any surface water was gone. Then we gave the seats a deep clean in case any bacteria from the water had started to form. Then we took his high pressure air blower to make sure that any water was gone from those hard to reach areas. But the main problem was the bottom of the seat here. The water had ran down the leather and all gathered up at the bottom, so this cushion was absolutely soaked. The only way to dry it was to leave this hot air dryer blowing right between the bottom of the seat here. And this turned out to be the hero in the end because the seats were finally dry. We then used it all over the interior till we knew everything was dry. There was not a single bit of dampness and water left. Then we did the exact same process on the floor mats outside the car and then popped them back in. And before I knew it, the car was looking brand new inside again. What a relief.
Right guys, I'm here sitting in the car now and it's been over a week and I'm happy to say that there has been no smells at all. So a huge thank you to Mr. Auto Detailer. I'll pop his Instagram on screen, guys. If you could just go and give him some love because he really saved the day and I really appreciate it. Now, of course, it did get really wet in here and there's a lot of electronics. So this is quite a good durability test for the Chinese BYD. Hopefully there's no issues. Stay tuned for the channel, guys, and subscribe so you don't miss it. And yeah, we're going to be following my journey in this little Chinese EV. And of course, the Aston Martin is not going anywhere. That is my dream car. I love it. But guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.